20-year-old car, Lexus LS430. That's what I love you most. Oh my God, I don't know what words to say to express how much I love this car. I don't care if I win $1 million. I'll still keep you around, baby. Yes, the wipers are automatic. They still work just fine. I didn't even know they were coming out with this kind of technology in 2002. Just taking a rainy drive, about to pick up little man from school. Pretty ugly out. Tomorrow we're supposed to have a snowstorm. That, I'm sorry, this car gets an F. But then again, every real wheel drive car gets an F in the snow, right? I don't care how much traction control you have, whatever. We got 186 on the dash, almost 187, and it's still like new. Just quiet. Everything still works. Watch when I speed up, the wipers should speed up by themselves too. I love the little features they came out with this car. All right, come on, turn, lady. There you go, good job. I usually never turn on my wiper blades, just let them do it by themselves. Talk about smartphones. This is a smart car. I can't get over how nice the steering wheel feels. I have a check engine light. I have to get some muffler work done. But besides that, I mean, that all happens in time, right? That I'm not worried about. Hopefully, in the next month or so, when I really start driving this car more. But for now, it's just a few miles here and there. As you can see, I put a compass on it. This car has everything except the freaking compass. Can you believe that? How does the car not have a compass? One thing I'll tell you, if you have one of these, if you go somewhere, like the older guys, they'll look at you and say, yep, he knows how to pick a car. I promise you that much, because I get that a lot. And they just look at me like, okay, he's smart. He's got a nice car. But I gotta let y'all go. Goodbye, peace, love you all.